welcome to today's webinar on how to increase the service lifetime of Waterjet cutting application and how to reduce maintenance and spare parts costs. This video is made for when either you are a user of Waterjet cutting machines or when you're thinking about purchasing a Waterjet cutting machine. This is Renee Pickles, founder, CEO and engineer of Ekowa. I am Kimberly Schulz, COO and laboratory assistant. Ekowa advises end customers and OEMs in relation to water treatment for Waterjet cutting systems. Today we are going to learn how to increase your pump service lifetime, how to reduce downtimes and how to reduce service costs. After this 8-minute webinar you will know why the components of your high pressure pump wear out so quickly and what the water quality has to do with this. Finally, you will get to know various methods that are used for water treatment. But since we don't have that much time, I'll stop chilling now. Let's get right into it.
A typical problem with Waterjet cutting applications is corrosion and increased wear on the high pressure components. This means that the desired pump service lifetime is not achieved and long downtimes have to be accepted. Added to this, there are the unpredictable maintenance work and the high maintenance costs. Many users do not know that premature wear and high downtimes are directly related to water quality.
The current range of water treatment systems traditionally consists of two systems. On the one hand, there are water softeners, which until a few years ago were recommended by pump manufacturers due to the lack of alternatives. Water softeners are only useful when the hardness in the water is too high. On the other hand, there are reverse osmosis systems, which are used when there are too many chlorides in the water. But in the end, those two methods will lead to more damage than before. To fill this lack of alternative void, there have been water quality additives on the market for a few years now. Water treatment with water quality additives is very reliable and can be used in 95% of cases. This also makes it possible that water softeners and reverse osmosis systems can only be used when they are really needed. So, if you have problems with machine downtimes or with premature wear, you can contact your pump manufacturer. He then will take a water sample in those little sample bottles, or you can also use those normal big water bottles. The water sample from your tap water will be sent to a laboratory to have it analyzed, and based on those analysis results, the pump manufacturer assesses which water treatment system is the right one for you in this special case. Of course, you can contact a laboratory directly and send in water samples yourself.
Finally, it should be summarized once again. Which water treatment system makes sense for a specific case depends on the local water quality. In most cases, the water quality additive is perfectly adequate. In most special cases, ultrafiltrations, reverse osmosis, or softeners are used. The water quality is a decisive production factor in water cutting applications in order to achieve process reliability, long machine running times, and predictable maintenance work. An optimal water quality is achieved with the right water treatment. Due to high fluctuations in water quality, it must always be decided on a case-by-case basis which water treatment is the right one.
We would like to thank you for your attention. After the webinars, there will be a live Q&A with all speakers. We would like to invite you to take part, where you are welcome to ask us any questions you like. If you would like to find out more about us as a company or our solutions, or if you would like to get in touch with us personally, please visit our virtual booth or send us a meeting request. We are happy to support you in all matters relating water treatment. Thank you for watching. We wish you a successful online trade fair and hope that we will be able to make personal and real contact with you again soon.